showing you guys on how to present your design in your portfolio. So we all know what a portfolio is, right? A portfolio is where you show display of your work, you display your work so that other people can see. You can use social media as your portfolio, you can use Linktree, you can use many other things as a portfolio. You can create a website by yourself as a portfolio. Like I was actually creating one Google class where I just drop on my design. So now I'm just going to show you guys on how there are many different types of site or platform you can actually post your design, but the one I use mostly is Durable. You can also there's also Behance, and there's you can post on Twitter also so that people can show your work. So let me just give you guys through just on how my portfolio on Behance look like. So it's just where I post my work for people to see. So it's not just much of it. These are most of the designs I've done lately that I've posted in the space of 1 to 2 years because I'm not actually really consistent in design lately. I just pick up the pace. So I'll be showing you guys on how to use Dribble. I don't know, Behance and Dribble are mostly like the same. I have Behance. Let me show you how Behance platform look like. Behance. So you can just be putting your design work there. So this is how Behance look like. You'll be seeing different kind of designs. This is where people post their work just for public display, and or you can also post on Twitter, as I said, social media. You can post on many other things. So let's go to this thing. Let me show you. Let me post. I've not actually uploaded something on. You can also post on Insta on Durable. Let's go to Durable. So let me show you on how to use Durable. Come on, let's go to a Figma file.